Now, the next stage is helpers. The planets positively do help us when we enter into the plane of the soul consciousness. Then Krishnamacharya says, let us go to soul consciousness. It's not so easy. I am asked to take everything and give it away, not only what I have in my pocket, because I don't keep anything in pocket, but I have to give it away what all I have in the banks without your own knowledge. And if I own a house, I am asked to give it away. And I have to give my wife away to her own will, my sons to their own will, and all those people whom I used to possess, those whom I expected that they should obey me, and those whom I wanted that they should understand me and follow my philosophy of life, and those whom I believed to be my would have been disciples. I should give them to themselves. And if they want to follow me, it is up to them. But if I want them to follow me, I am stopped at the gate, because narrow is the path. An elephant may have the possibility of passing through the eye of the needle, but into the kingdom of God, it is not possible to pass. If at all we have something else with us, because the real I am never allows anything my or mine, not in the physical sense, but in the mental sense. If I have something mine in my mind, I am stopped at the customs, because you know how difficult it is to pass from one country into another through the customs gate. And here is a customs check gate from one plane of existence into another. If at all we have to hide certain things, we have no bags and boxes. We have to hide only in the shells of our mind. And there are experts who check the shells of our mind in the customs gates. They say, oh, Monsieur, sit down and go home. That is the old home, not the new home. Many times we are sent back because we have high ideals. We love our ideals. Here we are asked, do you leave off your ideals and enter? We say, try next time. Because our ideals are valuable to us. And next time when we come, they ask, whom do you love most? Suppose Krishnamacharya says, my wife. He suggests, better go to your wife than to go to this place. So we have thousands and thousands of occasions when we approach the customs gate and go back. And finally, when they find us really free from anything mine, then they allow only the I am through the gate. Only after that the planets work as helpers. Otherwise, we would all have had the help of the planets and big recommendations from very high personages. We may ask some great man to telephone to Saturn and do favors to us. Not possible. So, these are the 4 relationships. You can ask how the planets help the fellow in the soul consciousness. If you leave everything here and begin to walk on the streets, everyone begins to follow you. And everyone tries to bring something which is useful to you. Many people bring lots and lots of money and dollars to you. Understand that there are planets in masks only to test you. If I profess that I don't want anything, then many people begin to follow me as disciples. They are all persons to themselves, but they are masks to the planets inside. You should be very careful. These planets are very dangerous fellows. When these fellows are bringing favors to you, a good residence and money and gifts, from within those persons, the planets are looking telescopically and microscopically to you. If at all there is some glamour in you about these things, if we have glamour, they don't object us.